Welcome! If you want Instagram to prompt you every time before using your camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for camera permissions on Instagram, so you have full control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all the apps and permissions on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section called Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone's brand. Tap on Apps, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find Instagram. Once you spot it, go ahead and tap on the Instagram app to open its settings. Inside the Instagram settings, look for the Permissions option. This is where you can control what Instagram can access on your phone, like your camera, microphone, and more. Now, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of features Instagram might ask to use. Find Camera in the list and tap on it. You'll be presented with several options for camera access. To make sure Instagram always asks before using your camera, select Ask Every Time. That's it. From now on, whenever Instagram wants to use your camera, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission first. This way, you stay in control and can decide when to allow or deny access. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and pick a different option, like allow only while using the app or don't allow, depending on your preference. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Stay in charge of your privacy and enjoy sharing your moments on Instagram with confidence.